Today we're at Bridge in Wimborne and we're going to take the underwater drone to have a look at actually what's underneath the bridge. It's only a short video because we didn't expect to turn into a long video, but it got such good traction on Facebook. Here's a longer version of it. So once we arrived, we then started to prep the drone, connect it to the phone and make sure that we were all good to go, and then we deployed the drone. It's a fantastic day. The water is clear. There's, as you can see, people in the water, swimmers, so we have to be a little bit mindful of them. But yeah, a fantastic day to get the drone out and under the water. At this point, I'll have to apologise. I actually filmed this in low resolution, so the actual quality of the camera is so much better than this. But yeah, drone was in the water and then we started taking it out into sort of greater depth. So this is only about 2.5 meters deep, so the drone's got the capability of going down 100 meters. But it's, as you can see here, it's pretty quick, real maneuverable, and that cable is actually 100 meters long. You can get one longer, so that means we can go 100 meters down, 100 meters out. Yeah, so we've got 100 meters worth of cable to play with. So this area is used a lot by swimmers, paddleboarders, dog owners take their dogs there to swim, and this bridge that I'm stood on, a lot of people jump off. So we want to just have a little look underneath just to make sure that everything was safe to do so, and we didn't expect to see this many fish. So yeah, that was a very nice surprise once we got under there. As you can see, the drone is, once you got the hang of it anyway, it's super easy to control. You can control the depth, you can control the pitch of the drone. It's super simple once you got the hang of it. It's very much similar to flying a drone in terms of how the controls work, so very easy to pick up if you've been or have any experience with flying drones. So this pretty much brings the video to a close. We will do a lot longer videos of other kit that we use. Like I said, didn't expect to turn this into a YouTube video. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know if there's anything you'd like us to review, and I hope you enjoyed this video.